Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Enjoyable Fan Games. Today we're checking out a fan game that I don't know how to pronounce. Is it Mari0, Mari0, Mari Portal? Basically, it's Mario with a portal gun. If you've ever wondered what Mario would feel like with a portal gun, well, this is the fan game for you. While it may not sound that interesting to a lot of you, trust me, it's a lot more fun than it sounds. You're basically given free reign to do whatever the hell you want with a portal gun in the first Super Mario Bros. Game. The portal gun feels and reacts exactly like it did in the game Portal, except it's in 2D as opposed to 3D. You're able to use the portal gun to transport enemies as well as power-ups throughout the stage, and hell, even yourself if you missed a little secret. Now this is going to sound a little bit weird, but I'm not going to praise the game as much for the portal mechanisms as I'm going to praise it so much for the Mario physics being pretty much dead on. Don't get me wrong, the portal physics are what make this fan game a fan game, and I absolutely love them. But I have never in my entire life played a Mario game where the physics were this close to the official thing. I grew up playing the original Super Mario Bros. On a hand-me-down NES, so I know exactly how the game should feel. And I'm happy to say that barring the running not necessarily being on a dime like the original, which actually was a problem with the original game in my opinion, this game does pretty much everything the original Mario Bros. Did, but in widescreen and with a portal gun, obviously. As a testament to this, I normally can't play games on an emulator because my fingers aren't really used to being flat down. I'm used to playing with my thumbs. However, I was able to get to World 8-2 without losing a single life. Of course, at that point, I lost all of my lives because it's a hard-ass level. However, yeah, that really just goes to show that the physics are pretty much spot on for the first Super Mario Bros. Game, and they feel identical. And if you can't get enough of Mario with the portal gun after you've beaten the final boss, you can go ahead and create your own levels in the level editor, and there's also cheats for you to unlock. There's a lot to do in this game. It gives it a lot of beefiness, and it's free as well, so there's totally reason to play it. If you watched that famous Dorkly video of Mario with the portal gun and you wanted to reenact it yourself in the original Super Mario Bros. Game, this is the best way to do it. I just really wish that Nintendo was more accepting of fan games, because being able to play this officially on the Nintendo Switch would be amazing. But I guess if you want to play it, you can always play it on the computer for free. I'll leave the link down in the description as always. This has been DanRock. Hope you're enjoying Season 3 of Enjoyable Fan Games, and don't forget to leave your suggestions for future episodes of Enjoyable Fan Games in the comments down below. Peace out and take care.